Prove that dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square modulus of real f of z square equal to 2 times modulus of derivative of f of z square, where f of z is a analytic function. Solution: let f of z equal to u plus ib is a analytic function. So now first we will calculate real f of z. Real f of z means real part. Real part of f of z is a u. Now modulus of real f of z whole square, that is nothing but u square. Next f of z equal to u plus iv, f dash of z, f dash of z means dou u by dou x plus I into dou v by dou x. Next modulus of f dash of z under root of dou u by dou x whole square plus dou v by dou x whole square. It is based on this. For example, modulus of a plus ib, a square plus b square. Okay, a plus dou u by dou x, b plus dou u by dou x. Therefore under root of dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x square. Next now dou by dou x of will calculate u square. U square differentiation 2u, u differentiation dou u by dou x. So here when you see in the proof, dou square by dou x square of real f of z, that means 2 time differentiation is there. So we do 2 times. So 1 time completed. Now dou square by dou x square of u square, that is dou by dou x of u square. So therefore dou by dou x of, already dou by dou x of u square how much? 2u dou u by dou x, 2 outside, dou by dou x of u into dou u by dou x. It's like a uv rule, uv whole dash, u you can take u v dash plus v u dash. U means this is u, this is v, so we have to apply that formula. Okay, so now 2 into u means this u as it is, v dash. Okay, v dash means dou u by dou x, again differentiation, dou square u by dou x square plus v into v means dou u by dou x into u dash. U dash means u differentiation dou u by dou x. So this will be 2 into u dou square u by dou x square, x into x square, dou u by dou x whole square. So this is all about left side, dou square by dou x square of u square, dou square by dou x square of u square 2 times. So now if you want more, this you can write 2u dou square u by dou x square, 2 into dou u by 2 into dou u by dou x whole square. Okay, This you got one result when you do 2 times differentiation of u square. Similarly, we get dou square by dou y square of u square. Okay, so here in the question, what is that here? Dou square by dou y square. Dou square by dou y square, that means 2 times differentiation. So similarly, dou square by dou y square of u square is a 2 into u into dou square u by dou y square. Dou square u by dou y square, 2 into dou u by dou y whole square. This is a 1, this is 2. So no need of doing second. Similarly, we can write now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. So when you add 1 and 2, so what will get? Left side add dou square by dou x square of u square, dou square by dou y square of u square. Right side 2 common, u common, so this will be dou square u by dou x square, this will be dou square u by dou y square. Next 2 common, so this will be 2 common, dou u by dou x whole square, dou u by dou y whole square. So now here in a question given f of z is analytic, when f of z equal to u plus iv, wait a minute, f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic. Is analytic function. When it is analytic, it satisfies 2 conditions. One is a which implies u is a harmonic function. U comma v are harmonic function. So what its meaning? Harmonic function means dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square value will be 0. Similarly, dou square v by dou x square plus dou square v by dou y square value will be 0. When a analytic, u comma v harmonic means dou square u by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square value 0. And satisfies CR equations. So what is a CR equation? Dou u by dou x equal to dou u by dou y, dou u by dou x equal to dou u by dou x equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y equal to minus dou v by dou x. So when it is a analytic function, these properties will get. Using these properties, we prove required result. Okay. So now come to our take left side u square common. U square common means dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square of u square. Okay. Next 2u into dou square by dou x square, dou square u by dou y square value how much? 0. Why? Because analytic. Next to 2 into this will be, this you write as it is, dou u by dou x whole square. Next, dou u by dou y, how we can write? Minus, by CR equation, dou u by dou y, we can, this dou u by dou y we can write minus dou u by dou x whole square. Okay, so now this will be dou square by dou x square, dou square by dou y square of u square equal to, this is 0, 2 into dou u by dou x whole square, minus dou u by dou x means is also dou u by dou x whole square. Okay, minus 1 square is, we can write 1 square now. So therefore what is this u square? This u square is a real f of z square. So now dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square, this is nothing but real f of z square, 2 into this will be dou u by dou x square, dou u by dou x, dou u by dou x whole square plus dou u by dou x whole square. So here, if you want here, modulus of f dash of z whole square, square root get cancel, what is that? Dou u by dou x square, dou v by dou x whole square. That means dou u by dou x whole square, dou v by dou x, sorry, dou u by dou x whole square, dou v by dou x whole square, you can write modulus of f dash of z square. Okay, dou u by dou x square plus dou v by dou x square equal to modulus of f dash of z square. So this will be, this value will be modulus of f dash of z square. So this is a required result. Check it question. Real f of z square, modulus of real f of z square equal to 2 times modulus of f dash of z square. Got same result, no?